kinks in the tongue, in your expressions with practice. Those are called the kinks removal drills. You always take care of your kinks. You should go for kinks removal drills. These drills can be conducted alone in the room, in front of the mirror. Like say, repeat after me. Everybody, audience. Ta ta ta. Tomato.
Tomato.
Pa pa pa. Potato.
Potato.
Tomato.
Tomato.
Potato.
Potato.
Onions.
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 Oven.
Oven.
That is how you repeat words 10-20 times so that your accent is polished and your kinks are removed. यहाँ पे जब career करने के बाद आप career, 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 repeat,
Career. Career. Career.
Career से नहीं होगी. Spelling board type है. Say career,
Career.
career,
Career.
10 times.
Career. 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 Career.
Courier,
Courier.
courier,
Courier.
carrier,
Carrier.
bicycle carrier,
Bicycle carrier.
a motorbike carrier,
Motorbike carrier.
a local carrier,
Local carrier.
उसका porter, porter the local carrier. वो carrier है. खुदा के लिए आपका educational career और आपकी academic career और आपकी professional career, those are different. Those are the kinks that make you say those are the kinks. जुबान में वो तुम चले हैं जो जोर से निकलते आपकी जुबान से निकलेंगे उनको practice से remove किया जाएगा. But that practice can only be done by yourself, at your places, in your room, with your spelling partner, over the phone, with your partner, anytime, anywhere. This is how you train yourself.
Right, sir.
Understood? Next.
Next one is the importance of blends of grammar and complex sentence construction.
Yeah, grammar is very important. Somebody said, grammar is the wealth of English. No! Vocabulary is the wealth of English and grammar is the health of English. If you don't have wealth, you can't have good health. So, if you don't have health, then your wealth is useless. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So,
Yes, sir.
if you wish to have complex sentences with proper grammatical paraphernalia, you should learn the proper grammar for complex sentences. उर्दू का जुमला होता है बिजली चली गई है लोग कहते हैं electricity has gone but रिक्शा का नहीं government gone. No, the proper translation should be the electricity is being disconnected. Oh, electricity has come. बड़े-बड़े अपने पास भी ये अंग्रेजी बोल रहे हैं rubbish. The electricity is being reconnected or resumed or whatever you can use. But don't say it has come back by hiring an auto driving. For God's sake, do not think in Urdu to speak in English. Think in English to speak in English. That's the first foremost formula. Do not ever think in Urdu to speak English. मैं कल लाहौर जाऊँगा तो खिलौने लाऊँगा. When I will go to Lahore, I'll bring toys for you. That is wrong. When I go to Lahore, I'll bring toys for you. Use one will in one sentence. In English, we use one will only. और उर्दू में दो विलें लगती हैं क्या? जाऊँगा तो लाऊँगा. दो गागा आगे लोग हैं तो दो विलें लगाओ. That is wrong. One will for दो गास. दो गायों के लिए एक will. Answer in the answer sheet, they commit a lot of grammatical blunders along with their spellers because they don't have vocabulary. People don't have vocabulary. They ask computer to fix their spelling errors. That is fatality. You must think here. Use your personal CPUs to fix your errors. You could be your best. You could be your best checkers. Check your stuff and find the ways out. Don't be dependent. Don't be parasites or computer. Let the computer be your parasite.